Habang break time namin, gumawa ako ng reaction video regarding dun kay Miss Catering ba yun? Actually, pinanood lang sa akin to ng sister-in-law ko. So, gumawa ako ng reaction video. Panoorin po natin.
How are you? Do you accept my human being soda? It's okay because you know I'm happy for you because of me you have a problem and you are stressed right now.
I'm not stressed.
Okay, so how's your day?
Why do you ask it like, just ask me normal, bro. How's your day, bro?
Travel.
Because this is my personality.
No.
This is my human being soda.
Not that. Not that.
This is my personality. Don't judge the person if you are not. Don't judge the person.
Okay, sabi niya don't judge yung personality niya. Ang judgment, hindi yan iba yung judgment, iba rin yung nakikita mo kasi. I think, dito sa video na to, sinasabi lang nung lalaki yung nakikita niya sa kanya na parang sobrang arte or something. I think hindi yung judgment. Kasi parang kinokontest na lang kung ano yung nakikita niya sa'yo. Hindi yung judgment.
You have no personality.
If you don't know that person, don't judge, okay? Because you don't know by side mirror that person. So you need to see the side mirror that person before you judge, okay?
Can I ask you something?
What's something?
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be straight up with you. Alright?
What?
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay. I'm honest with you also.
You look like your wardrobe right now.
What?
You know the wardrobe right there? You
Wardrobe.
look like it.
I look road? What? Further?
You look like your wardrobe. You know your wardrobe down there? Behind you.
The wood?
You know the way you put your clothes?
Oh, the Jura box?
Yeah, you look like that.
Yurabas.
You look like it. And
And this is you.
Malas ng walis.
Look this. You're so dirty, inside, outside.
I'm dirty. Maxine, thank you, Maxine. I'm dirty.
Ayan, napikon na yung
Inside,
Indian.
outside.
Napikon na.
Okay.
Gusto niya rin mag-asar, no?
You want to talk about it right now? You want to do that?
Yes.
You want to start with that now? You really want me to show you what you look like?
Yes, show me.
Siguro kung magharap lang to, suntukan na rin dalawang.
Really want me to show you what you look like? You really want me to show you what you look like? Okay. I'll show you now what you look like. You look like this.
Where? I cannot see.
Itlog? Itlog?
Wow! That is my favorite.
Yeah,
Oh,
you eat
this is
that.
my favorite.
May itlog kasi siya.
You eat that, don't you?
Yes, do you want to see you? This is you.
Siya naman,
You are my ingrown. That's you,
ingrown ka.
my dear.
Ingro.
Okay? That's your face. You look fit and ingrown. Do you see your
Gulat na gulat,
personality?
grabe.
Bro, your toes are so dirty, bro.
Yes, just like you.
Yes.
That is your personality.
Well, may point naman din si, yan, yung gay na yan. Kasi, syempre, too much na eh. Too much yung, syempre, too much yung pag-ano sa kanya. So, may point din naman, may point din naman.
I think you are not in the good hands, your family. Because you don't know how to be use the right and left every people. You don't use respect to people. I think people beside you is not respect you. Because
Okay, respeto naman to. Ang respect kasi sa pagkakalam ko is hindi yan hinihingi. Dapat yan ay pinapakita mo. Dapat yan ay binibigay sa'yo ng ibang tao. Hindi mo yan hinihingi sa kanila.
you have a very, 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 very wrong way attitude. You need to be go with the flow. Okay? So that I think when you, the end of the day, you are dead on arrival, no one people is not miss you. Because because you don't have bring me memories. Okay? So that's it. You are
Anyak is here. Anyak wants to see what I look like. Can you show me what I look like?
no.
Ano?
No, show me what I look like.
That is the once in a lifetime. No need to revoke my saying. Oh my God. I think you're so sad.
Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God? I talk, you listen. Do you believe in God?
Yes.
Punta na kay God.
How about you? Do you believe in God?
Yes, I believe that God.
Oh, why do you scare the God? I think you believe to the Satanas, the devil, because your attitude is devil. You need to go to the falling down.
Dito, I think, they both believe in God. Pero, the way they treat each other, parang, it seems, parang pareho sila walang kasi, pag maka-Diyos ka, dapat makatao ka rin. Hindi pwedeng makatao ka lang, or maka-Diyos ka lang. Pwede ka maging makatao na hindi ka maka-Diyos, pero pag sinabi mong maka-Diyos ka, it should be makatao ka rin. Pero dito, parang wala silang respeto sa nila parehas.
Falling down the long destination. Okay? You are in the far exit, so you deserve to be cremate your body. What do you want? Half cremate or fully cremate?
Cremate.
Oh my God. I want to educate you. I will teach you.
It's educate you. Educate you. Educate you. If you can't even educate yourself, bro.
Shut
You
up.
you can't even educate yourself. You don't even know what you're doing, bro.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Ay.
Away na talaga.
Very good. Stick.
Hindi na nakasagot si yung Indian.
Ay. Behave. Behave, okay?
Ginawa siyang aso. Okay, so dito sa video na to, parang may palaban yung yung gay na to. Ito naman si Indian. Okay naman sana, yan lang masyadong below the belt rin yung kanyang mga binitawan dito. So I think both of them parang medyo walang respeto sa isa't isa. O sige, this is na po. Sa reaction video, it's my opinion lang po.